Hey guys, welcome to Vlog Life with Miss Shanita. Today I will be vlogging all about September, the beginning of fall, which is my favorite season of the year. Stay tuned, subscribe, and like. Thanks, guys.
Transformation in 3, 2.
Hey guys, good morning. This is how I usually start my day. Just kind of chill out, get a little bit of coffee, play with my dog, and then I'm gonna go through the rest of my day. I hope you guys stay tuned and watch the continuance of this vlog.
Transformation in 3, 2, 1.
Hello, September. I can't wait until these leaves turn red and orange and all the beautiful colors. I just can't wait. Walgreens is my definitely go-to when I don't feel like the hustle and bustle of like Ulta Beauty or Sephora. So I don't see nothing wrong with Walgreens. I actually love going here. I get almost everything that I need. And now off to get some ingredients to make my caramel apple puff pastries. Caramel apple puff pastries, yes. That's what I'm gonna make. Stay tuned.
Transformation in 3, 2, 1. Transformation in 3, 2, 1. Transformation
Okay guys, I am going to be totally honest. So this vlog, I'm sorry, it's all over the place. It's in the morning when I woke up, it's at night, and it's actually in the afternoon. This is me in the afternoon preparing the apples. But when I opened up my puff pastry dough, it was molded because I kept it in the refrigerator for so long. So I had to go to Walmart and get more puff pastries, and then I picked up where I left off. So I prepared the apples in advance, came home, and then I put the dough and everything together. And this is how it turned out. Isn't it gorgeous? It was so good. It was so good. They're caramel apple puff pastries. Hello, fall.
in 3, 2, 1.
Still pretty hot. I'm watching Love is Blind UK. I think this is Love is Blind. Yes, Love is Blind UK. This is so good, you guys. You gotta try it. Caramel apple puff pastry. That's what I did today. So good. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. I'll catch you guys next time.